Hi, I'm Barry Zekelman, Chairman and CEO of Zekelman Industries. Today I'm here to talk to you about the importance of domestic manufacturing. Domestic manufacturing is important to our country because it supports American jobs, American communities, and American prosperity. Demanding domestic is vital to our communities and our teammates. We're here today in Rochelle, Illinois, standing in our newest, most modern plant. We've invested well over $200 million to produce electrical conduit here, rigid conduit, hot dip galvanized product, and our smart set and other solutions for the electrical industry. We're very proud to be here in the most automated, hands-free facility in the world, protecting our workers, keeping them safe, and producing our product in the most environmentally friendly and efficient manner possible. There's a global impact of bringing product from overseas. When we bring product from overseas, we're supporting all of the things that this country stands against. Exploiting labor, we're polluting the environment, and we're robbing our own communities of the very jobs that they need to survive and prosper. When you buy product from Zekelman Industries, you can be assured that you're buying product that is sourced domestically. Down to every nut and screw that we use in our factory, I strive to source that domestically. Our product is made of the highest quality steel, produced in steel mills that have the lowest CO2 emissions in the world. We're also supporting high-paying jobs. We're paying taxes in our communities, and we're supporting our communities through charitable donations. So when you buy domestic and buy from Zekelman Industries, you can be assured that your money is going to good use. If you're a contractor, you understand the total cost of the product isn't just what you purchase the raw material at, but it's how you finish installing it. Our product bends well. Our product pulls wire well. We have the lowest amount of pull force in the industry. Also, our product threads well in the field. We manufacture our product from CW pipe. It is fully annealed. You don't chip tools, you use less labor to do that, and you can get your product in the field quicker. It's the total cost of installation. Cheap isn't cheap, it's expensive. By buying domestic, you're eliminating a lot of the risk. You're not tying up as much capital, you're shortening your lead time significantly, you're getting exactly what you want when you want, and you can be assured the quality is there. We certify our product to the highest quality standards available. Unlike many others, they fake their certifications. We've seen that. It's been proven. They've done it with drywall, they did it with flooring, they did it with steel, they did it with dog food, they did it with baby formula. Can you imagine with our product, if that happens, it goes into mission critical circumstances like hospitals, energy plants, nuclear plants, oil refineries, food processing plants, our transportation grid. We can't have failures there. You depend on our product being perfect, not one time, every time. And we can't mess with that. We certify our product in the highest quality labs, and our certifications are available to you instantaneously. You can depend on it, I guarantee it. When you buy domestically, the companies here support our communities that you live in, work in, and play in. Demand domestic. It's more important now than ever. Thank you.